Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by freeing space with targeted actions. Open settings and check iPhone storage so you know the baseline. Once done, launch YouTube and confirm you're signed in to the correct account so deletions affect the right profile. Next, decide if you'll remove offline downloads or clear cache first. Downloads take the most space. Start with the largest items. Go to Library Downloads in YouTube and remove full playlists or videos you no longer need to immediately reclaim space. Now focus on in-app storage and system-level options. In YouTube, delete offline videos individually or by playlist to release large blocks quickly. This is faster than reinstalling. Then clear watch and search history in YouTube settings to reduce cached suggestions and minor storage use. If you want to preserve account data, but free app size, go to Settings General iPhone Storage YouTube and use Offload App, which removes the app, but keeps documents and settings so reinstall restores your account seamlessly. Finish by removing residual cache and forcing iOS to reclaim space. Delete the YouTube app and reinstall it if cache persists, because that clears hidden data. Once reinstalled, restart your iPhone to let the system update storage calculations and free inert blocks. If storage still looks incorrect, make sure messages and photos aren't keeping large attachments. Review iCloud settings and optimize photo storage. If problems continue, sign out and back into YouTube or reboot again. This often resolves stubborn syncing or reporting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.